November. That is Sohan's birthday party. Yeah, this is the first time we actually like met and interacted. I had seen her once before, but yeah.
So the first time we met was in Vasant View with Deepu, Ankita and Alroy, and it was like watching a live comedy show.
Obviously, we met in school and then we really got close in 10th standard. And I remember first time when I came to your place during your birthday with the painting.
I met her for the first time in school. I think in the 7th or the 8th grade during band practice. That's what I remember. And she had like this short hair, bob cut. She's wearing a hairband. Yeah, I think that's the first time I met her.
So there was this party in mud at Malaika's place, and Shreya took us there.
The first time I met Malaika was on our school ground where we both met for inter-house football selections, and she came and asked me if I could be her KC competition partner where we would have to make a PPT, and I said yeah, and I never showed up.
So I met her through a mutual friend, Shreya. We went on a trip to Pune together over a weekend. At least I was told.
Pretty sure it was with Steffi when you guys were stalking me and I was a bit creeped out by you guys. But anyways, I met you.
First we met in LC, but properly we met in Sigri when we had gone for buffet.
Your phone?
Obviously school, but we became better friends in junior college and after joining Piyush.
When I first met her, she was very sweet, nice and friendly with me, and I didn't realize that we were meeting for the first time.
What a bitch. Always. Even as a kid, she was always a bitch.
Actually, Malaika joined school after most of us already were a part of it. So, the first thing I came to know about her was that she owns like few franchises of Smokin' Joe. So, my first impression was Richie Rich.
Of her was somebody who absolutely hated me, and somebody who absolutely loved Emerald House and did not think I would do a very good job as a captain. But yeah, she was extremely rude to Ankita, and that was like the whole entirety of my first impression of her.
Oh, she was full entertainment, and I was like,
First impression, yeah, same Sohan's birthday party. We danced a lot together on all like Bollywood numbers. So yeah, filmy person तो ऐसा लगा ही था for sure. और yeah, and she was like super nice to me then. Yeah, so तभी तो मुझे लगा था कि अच्छी लड़की है, फिल्मों का शौक है ऐसे.
You know that character from Jab We Met, Keith? Exactly the same.
Like you were really dramatic and yeah, just you wanted everything to go your way. Blah blah blah.
Of her is like dedicated person because I actually saw you like doing all the hard work for Emerald House just to make it win.
कितना खाती है?
When she roasts Ankita, hands down, that is my bestest memory of Malaika.
Recent one, just before lockdown, that we had gone for this brunch, and yeah, that was the best time.
I think so. It's the planning part and the Himachal trip.
So it has to be Udaipur. The time we both went to Udaipur last year. It was so much fun. I had a great time.
oh, there was this one time. Oh, and then everyone else. You don't remember? Say na yaar.
Like the whole 10th standard actually, and especially the trips to Mahabaleshwar, Lonavala, where we used to only hog and like eat all the time, and Nainital trip of course.
Her birthday in Ashiana last year.
Like how we would make my mom call her mom and make my mom take permission to send her here, or sometimes we would just lie at home and go out and meet each other. And in college, I think just we never needed anyone with us. Like the two of us, we knew the two of us were enough for each other. Whether it was to go clubbing, to eat anywhere, we would randomly decide, let's go here and get up and go there. Not caring about anyone, whether this one will come or this one won't come. We both would go. That was for sure.
Everything in school, I think Alibag was the best trip I had with her. And Like you remember this thing where like we were jumping here and there because the rat entered in our room, and the second one, like you all threw me in water.
तू वीडियो ले रही है तो मक्कल है अब तेरी बैग को हटा पैक करने से सब भाग रहे हैं तेरा GoPro भेज दे वो भी खा के जाएगा
Be the one with Hot Wheels. I'm not going to elaborate that, but I hope you remember.
I think so. It's when we had gone to this club, VVIP.
If there's ever a drunk story with her, there's no chance I'd remember. Because by the time she gets drunk, I'm passed out. These Punjabis, I tell you.
In Little Door, when I couldn't even keep my eyes open.
To be snob 2018 November. Madam Jo Dalli, she hates talking about this day, but she was out. And that was like actually the one time she actually called me Deepu. Just imagine how drunk she was. She called me Deepu. Oh my god.
Obviously, I don't drink, so I don't have a drunk story with her. But Malaika's tipsy all the time, so that doesn't matter. I think, like I remember these few times where she's drunk and she's crying over guys. I hope I could name that, those stupid people.
This one has to go to Igatpuri. The amount you drank and however drunk you got, you kept saying that you weren't drunk, but you kept falling on your face and your back and you hurt your entire body, blah blah blah. And I remember how you threw up in the morning also when I had plain butter because you guys finished all the breakfast.
When you, me and Foram, we were drinking together and then we were coloring each other's faces but I couldn't see your nose.
Trip to Pune. One night everyone got super drunk and we were jamming to Udta Punjab. Later I found out it was only me.
Drunk story. There's so many, man. I've grown up with her. There's so much. Drunk. I think snob. Drunk just always reminds me of snob, and I don't remember anything from that night. All I know is both of us were sloshed.
Top of my head, I think it's her texting skills. So text करना है मतलब एक बहुत बड़ा टास्क है. जैसे अच्छा कॉल करो या तो घर पे जाके उठा के बात कर लो, पर टेक्स्ट करना मैडम से वो अलग लेवल का है.
Everything. She can annoy anyone so easily, and that she's so tall and she makes fun of people who are not as tall as her.
Malaika, I'm not 18 years old, so stop telling me that.
Like you really have high tolerance for alcohol.
She'll make you remove the post that you put if she doesn't look good in it. Dwayne, have you completely lost it? I'm looking like a complete fool.
Is that she doesn't roast Ankita enough. I think she should do it more.
She always thinks I come late everywhere.
She always keeps telling me, Sakshat, why are you smiling always?
And she's not been in Mumbai since my last 2 consecutive birthdays.
She texts me saying, listen, in the middle of the night, and then I wake up in the morning and I say, yeah, tell me, and she says, I forgot. And this happens so much, and I always tell her, just say the whole thing at once, and she just never does it.
I think so. My sleep.
Is how long my speeches are. Hands down. She hates how much I talk. Which is why I'm going to keep this short or not. We'll see.
I'm pretty sure she has a list. You should ask her.
It's like I always cancel plans and I'm just making all the reasons all the time.
Once, funny said one thing. One thing is like she even hates my name. So मेरा नाम भी नहीं पसंद. Just to say, start. But yeah, one thing she hates the most about me is like my energy, like the way I behave. I'm like always super excited on my toes. जैसे कि चलो कुछ कर दे. So one time we were going for clubbing or something, and I was sitting on the chair, and I was just like excited कि अब थोड़ी देर में निकलने वाले हैं. और मैं बस बैठा था, I was just existing around her. And she was like, Deepak, can you please calm down? This is bothering me. That's how irritated she was.
About me is that I don't come out that often, and I don't make a lot of plans or follow up with a lot of plans. I'm so sorry. I love you.
हर रोज जिम जाता है.
One thing you love about that, I keep biting her a lot. I keep biting her all the time.
Is obviously for being a Jain, like no doubt. and secondly, I think she thinks that I'm too busy, and that's why we meet less.
All these stupid things I do. It's no matter how irritated she gets later on, she just lets it slide. She like, I don't tolerate this, who will tolerate? She just lets it. Yeah, that's one thing I love about her.
She never pretends to be someone she's not, to appear cool or for someone to like her. She's just herself unapologetically, and she does everything from the heart. So I really appreciate that. She's very honest about who she is.
She likes to chit chat a lot and eat.
That's a tough one, yeah. What do I love about her? Just kidding. I love how I know if we go for days without talking to each other, I can still always gravitate back to her. Like, I know I just have to call her and tell her this happened, and being the gossip girl that she is, she's going to enjoy every bit of gossip that you give her. And I can just randomly call her and start cribbing about this person. Like, for example, Saksha is so stupid, he did this, he did that, and she'll just keep laughing. She's like, Saksha is mad only. So yeah, that.
So in spite of all her drama, and after laughing at me, sometimes she laughs with me. Warms my heart really.
Like on her last birthday, like I was really sad about something and I was crying in her house. So she also started crying, and I was really touched. And second thing is that it like we always have fun times together. Like एकदम mood बन जाता है types.
She always gets our Bollywood references. Most of the time.
How much she yells at Ankita. Undoubtedly. I think that's one thing everybody loves about her. How much she can roast the fuck out of Ankita.
Again, as I said, there's nothing to love you about, so I don't think I love anything about you. Probably I loved one thing. No, I don't think.
But you is like it's always fun to be with you, and you're amazing company to be with.
So she's very honest, and she won't keep anything to herself. So she'll just tell you however she feels.
Suraj डूबा है. Let me show you the steps of it. सूरज डूबा है यार दो घुट नशे के बारे रास्ते बुला दे सारे घर बार के. I think that, and what is the other one? चिट्ठियाँ कलाइया वे ओ मेरी चिट्ठियाँ कलाइया वे चिट्ठियाँ कलाइया. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do for you.
Man, there's so much. I think London to Magda. Like, it makes no sense, but just the fact that we danced so much on that song. Like, I remember even when we both were alone, we would randomly start performing. And sometimes in clubs also, if it would play, we both would start doing the steps. So yeah, I think London to Magda.
We've had like lots and lots of dances together, but I can't find a video of it. YouTube पे कुड़ी नू नचने दे देख ले एक बार.
I don't, because Ankita doesn't let that happen. Because she always keeps dancing Malaika all the time. All the time. So I don't have a dance with her. And the fault is Ankita's.
Song used to be तेरे मेरे बीच में क्या है
तेरी मम्मी की जय चीज बनाए दूध पे जैसे आई हम